Ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to discuss about brain, and we are going to discuss how many neurons in our brains and what's the difference between the human brains and chimpanzee brain and the brain of cow and other species. The thing is that our brain is very complex. If we talk about the size of the brain, we have only 1.5 kilo in size. But talk about the size of the brain like elephant, talk about cow and chimpanzee and like these species, their brain. Talk about elephant is having 5 kilo in weight, but human brain is very complex. If we talk about neurons, especially in a human mind, it is smaller, but it is the smartest one. It is performing smart task and having round about 100 billion cell, so neurons. Scientists and neuroscientists, they have reached the conclusion, and approximately they say there are around about 100 billion neurons. So in our cerebral cortex there are around about 60 billion neurons. So these 60 billion neurons, and they are performing functions. Definitely larger the in size, or larger the size, uh, larger the neurons. But this is not the case in the case of the human brains and the brain of the cows, the brain of elephants and other species. We have very complex brains having 100 billions, 100 billion neurons, and they are performing functions. They talk about cerebral cortex. It is performing like logic, awareness, abstract thinkings, and then decisions, and everything is being made over there. How this brain and how we have evolved up to this size. Neuroscientists, different scientists, they made experiment. They even turned the human neurons into soup, and then they reached the conclusion how we have reached up to this level. In fact, our brain, which is the smartest one, it needs more energy as compared to the other brains. There are two type of brain: rodent brains and there is the primate brains. We have the primate one. If we compare our brain, the larger the brain, the larger the activity or smartness, then we will think that elephants and cow, they are very intellectual. But this is not case. Human brain is very intellectual. If it increases its size with respect to the neurons, then we would be having round about 36 kilo, and that will be huge weight. Even our brain will be crushed. We even can't carry brain. So this is the evolutions, and this evolution we have got with the passage of time in our neurons. The greater the energy, the greater it is increasing its neurons, but it's not increasing in size. It's increasing its amount. So increasing in counting. It's increasing its brain cells, not in size. So our brain is not like other brains. We can't compare our brain with chimpanzee. We can't compare our brains with other animals like cows or elephants. It's a different one. It does not increase like rodent brains. Rodent brains, like other species brain, it increases the size. But our brain, it increases neurons. So our brain is having neuroplasticity. It changes whenever you listen to somebody. Even I was listening to some neuroscientists. They are saying that whenever you listening to somebody, whenever you come across any experience, whenever you think about something, it increasing is awareness. It's having neuroplasticity. It changes every minute. It's being changed when you interact, when you communicate, when you talk, when you deliver lecture. It is performing its task. It is known as neuroplasticity. having roundabout weight 1.5. If you are 66 kilo, your weight, you are having your brain size around about 1.5. So talk about the elephants, it's having around about 5 kilo brain. It's it's talk about the weight. Elephant brain is it's a heavier than us, but it is not performing complex tasks, like not having cerebral cortex like us, 60 billion neurons performing different complex things like us. So our brain is very complex. It has more elasticity. It can even achieve new experience, get new things, perceive, and having greater cognitive ability as compared to the other species. So we should utilize this. This is a bless of the nature. Nature has blessed us. We should utilize it and create some wonderful things, create some new things. Our brain is a primate one. It's not a rodent like other species. It's not increases its size. It increases its neurons. So these neurons, it's a smart work. Our brain performs through neuroplasticity, through elasticity, achieving new thing, new experience, new kind of practical and pragmatic and new cognitions as compared to other species. Stay blessed and have a nice.